Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in again today. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click, just smash that button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button and also smash the like button and turn the notification bell on so you know whenever I have any good stuff coming your way. Okay guys, let's jump right into this soup for today. Alright guys, first of all, I'll go ahead and introduce the meat to you guys. I have hard chicken and the beef white tendon. I'll be using that as well. And the next, I have beef intestine, that is the stripes. I'll be using that for the soup as well. And I have mackerel, so I'll be using mackerel fish, 2 large mackerel fish. And I have my cow meat, and the last but not the least, I have my stockfish. So I soak the stockfish overnight, so that making it easier for me to cook, so I don't have to like start cooking this for a long time. So that saves me a lot of time. When I soak my stockfish overnight, it gets pretty soft and easy to be cut with your hands. So I'll go ahead and add all the meat together. So I'll add every single meat together right now without the stockfish. I'm not going to be adding the stockfish yet. So I'll go ahead and add my onions. So I have my onions chopped up together. I'll put that in and I'll add some salt. Then I'll go ahead and add some stock cube. I'm using 1 none and a 1 star cube. So you can use any stock cube of your choice. So I'll go ahead and mix that up and make sure that everything is well combined together. So after that, I'll go ahead and cover the pot and let it cook for like 5 minutes or 8 minutes thereabout. Okay guys, while the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and bring the rest of my ingredients that I'll be using for the soup. I'll go ahead and put that together and I'll be right back. Okay, stay tuned. All right, so the meat has been cooking roughly for about 8 good minutes, and as you can see, I did not add any water at the beginning. So but this meat has produced a very large amount of water right now. Don't know if you can see that. So the meat has produced enough water, but that's not gonna be enough. It's not gonna be enough at all, because we still need to cook this meat for a few more minutes. So what I will do right now, so this is my stockfish. So I already removed them from the water that they were inside. So I take that out, and this is the water from the stockfish. So before I soak the stockfish in the water, I washed the stockfish very well. So the stockfish is clean, so that's why I'm using the water. So if the stockfish wasn't clean, I wasn't gonna use the water at all. So I'll just go ahead and use the stockfish water and put that in here. Like, so I'll go ahead and cover this up again and let it cook for another 8 minutes. All right guys, we are back, and this meat has been cooking for about 7 minutes. So the total is like 15 minutes that the meat has been cooking. And I'll go ahead and take this bone out. So So that's it. I got the 3 bones out of my soup. So I'm done dividing the meat into 2. So I have one here and the other one here. So I'll be using one part to make this soup. So here I have my pot already on the stove. So I'll be using this little pot because like I said before, I'm making small soup. I think it's already dried. So I'll go ahead and add some palm oil. Remember, we're not going to be frying the oil. We just want it to get warm. And I'll put my onions. So I'll let that onions just cook for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'm using some mixed bell peppers, the orange, green, just the regular color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to fry with the onions. And I have just 1 tomatoes, just 1 finely chopped tomatoes. So I'll go ahead and let this fry for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, after letting this fry for 5 minutes, I can smell the aroma from those peppers. So I'll go ahead and add my thickener for today, which is the egusi, and I added some water to soften that up. So I'm just gonna let this cook for 2 minutes this way. So this is the way you can get a good lumps from your egusi soup. After 2 minutes, I have my egusi. So I'll just go ahead and grate that in. You can grind this up if you want, but I find this method very easy. So the thing that I just added is a local seasoning. It's optional. If you don't have it, you don't need to worry about it. So after 2 minutes of frying the egusi, I think I fried the egusi for about 3 minutes. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of the sauce from the meat. So I'll add the remaining part of the meat and everything. So this is half of the meat that I steamed already, guys. So I'll turn that around until they are well combined. Alright guys, as you can see, after adding the meat back into the soup, I definitely do need some water. So I'll go ahead and add some water into the soup. I'm gonna bring this closer a little bit so you can see that properly. So add a couple more there. I'll add my crayfish. Add my dried fish. So this is dried catfish. So I remove any bone that I want to take off and leave the rest. And the next thing, my mackerel. I'll go ahead and add my mackerel. After adding the mackerel, I'll add I hope this focused. I will add one Niger pot. There you go. Then the last but not the least, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll go ahead and add that up, and I will turn all of this together. So after turning this together, I'm thinking I should just switch the pot because the soup seems to be a little bigger than I thought or that I wanted it to be. So I'll go ahead and transfer this to the other pot that I used to steam the meat. Guys, I just transferred my soup to a different pot. Now my soup has a lot of room to mingle around with brothers and sisters in this pot. So go ahead and test the soup to make sure you have salt. Great. Everything looks perfect. I don't need any more salt. I don't eat too much salt. So when you're making your soup, you can add your salt to taste, right? So just let it cook for 5 minutes. Be right back. Oh my goodness, look at that. So the soup has been cooking for 5 to 6 minutes now. And I'll go ahead and add my vegetable. So I'll be using uziza. I don't know if that's focused. So I'll be using uziza. So I have the dried one. If you have the fresh one, that's great. So I'll be using some uziza leaf. I'll go ahead and turn that around. So once it's well combined, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of spinach. And this is just like half of it. So I'll go ahead and turn that around as well. So once it's well combined, so when you're turning your soup, be careful because you don't want to break up all the fish. So you have to be very careful when you're stirring your soup constantly like that, because this is egusi soup. You have to stir it more than any other thing because egusi soup can easily get burnt. So guys, after putting my vegetables, I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it cook just for 2 minutes, and this soup is ready. My soup is all done. Done. I'll go ahead and turn my stove off and set the soup aside out of the heat. And I'll go ahead and make my swallow. Alright guys, the water is boiling. At all. Oh Lord, that's so nice. Okay guys, let's dish out the food. That is looking so amazing. Just one chicken. There you go. All set. Look at that. Can you see that properly? Okay guys, thank you all for watching today's recipe of egusi soup. Another name for egusi soup, I'm saying this based on some of my friends out there that are not Nigerian, Igbo. So another name for egusi soup is melon seed. So this is melon seed. So I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me today. And for my soup, my fridge is gonna, there you go. So, and for this one, the meat that I steamed, I put this in my freezer, and this saved me a lot of time when next I need to cook soup. I just bring them out and defrost them, and I will use them. So this saved me a whole lot of time. Instead of starting over again to make the soup, I just use this one. So that's it for this. I'll go ahead and put that in my freezer, like I said. This is really very delicious. It came out so well. So those vegetables, the green bell pepper, red, so they're not even showing, and I did that for a purpose because of my kids. So all right guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscription button. Go ahead and smash it. Click on that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. All right guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Stay blessed, and guys, stay safe out there. You don't want to get this virus. It's really dangerous. Okay guys, thanks for watching one more time. Bye.